Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. For returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for your continued support. For new subscribers, I say thank you for subscribing. On this channel, I make videos about making money online and offline and also how to have financial stability. I'm not your financial advisor. I only share opportunities that I feel can help you, and some that I've already started working with, and some that I'm using to help me have financial freedom. So, whatever advice I give to you on this channel is left for you to take it or not. I'm not asking you to do it. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so I'm not giving you a professional financial advice. I'm only sharing opportunities that have helped me and opportunities that I feel can help people out there to be able to earn some stipends and some little income here and there. So, a lot of you have been reaching out to me and asking me to say something about what is happening concerning 86FB, 86Z, 86W, the 86FB family, and all that, what's happening. A lot of people have been trying to get confirmation from me if the platform has crashed or something. I'm not here to tell you whether the platform has crashed or the platform has not crashed. A lot of people have been talking about the platform, how it has scammed people. Okay, so I just want us to have an honest conversation. I would like you to drop your comment in the comment section, what you feel and what you think about this. Now, my question is the big question is, um why Nigeria? Why Nigeria? Okay, why am I asking this question? Why is it that when businesses like this come to Nigeria, or when businesses come to Nigeria, they don't last? Okay, why is it that they don't last? Please, I will need your honest response in the comment section. I want us to have an honest conversation, all right? Why is it that some businesses that thrive in other countries, when it is introduced in Nigeria, it just fizzles out? Something happens, the platform crashes, the people disappear and all that and all that. Okay. So I'm not trying to say that there are no platforms that have come and then they're actually not sincere. There are even some Nigerian owned businesses that actually try to help alleviate the situation of Nigerians or Nigerian youths, and somehow along the line, it fizzled out or had one challenge or the other. There was this food network marketing platform that I joined some years ago, in 2019 or so, yeah, 2019. And somehow, when it was time for them to give rewards or give awards like the car awards and all those kind of things and others, most of us were denied this. Okay, this matter ended up at the DSS. We went to the DSS. We tried to fix this issue so this can be sorted out. It was not sorted out. We moved it to EFCC, and when we got to EFCC, the story was entirely different, because EFCC started giving us some level of education and telling us that every business like this is Ponzi. Every business like this is Ponzi. Like even the Forever Living product is Ponzi, even this, so things like that. So I began to ask myself, so which business is not Ponzi? It means Nigeria itself is Ponzi. It's a Ponzi scheme. Now, there are no jobs for Nigerian youth, and a lot of people are trying to find a living. Is this the reason why people come into our country and take advantage of the situation and exploit people and scam people, like the word we use, like we have been scammed and all that? Like I said, I want your honest response in the comment section. Please give me your honest response in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel before now, please, if you're watching this video, you are listening to my voice right now, please subscribe to this channel so we can keep having honest conversations like this, and also look at platforms that can help us make some money. All right, like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. I only try to show you some opportunities that can help you alleviate your situation. You can make some little stipends here and there to pay your bills. So if you hit the subscribe button and I drop a new video, you will always get notified that I've dropped a new video, and that will help you, look at one or two of the platforms that I might introduce to you, because I'll be bringing new videos your way that you can make money with. All right, so back to the conversation today. I want to know, honestly, what do you think is our problem in Nigeria? I was part of another business, the MBA Investment and Trading Company. I made an investment there, and in 2020, during the coronavirus, of course, almost every business had an issue that time. And after the coronavirus, they wanted to transit. They were trying to go into partnership with another company and see how they can have a wider coverage of Africa. And they were now going to transit from the manual way or the analog way into more of something better. And Nigerians just concluded that these guys were going to run away. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, where the CEO came and he just made an announcement and tried to talk to the investors so they can be calm.
My name is Maxwell Odum, CEO, MBA Trading and Capital Investment Limited. Firstly, I would like to thank you, our investors out there who have been so phenomenal, inspiring. You are the reason why we're here. And also want to address the situation that we are going through a transitional period. You believed in us when we had nothing. And at this time, we want you to continue to believe in us. MBA is still here. And WCEP is a part of MBA today. WCEP owns 90%, while MBA owns 50% of WCEP Africa. So for that reason, the mergence is going to bring about major growth technology-wise, and you're going to invest real time from the comfort of your home. So we are not going anywhere. We're so much around with you, and we're asking for, should you be affected in this 1 month period of transition, we're asking that 1 month extension of contract will be given to you. So there's no reason for panic. There's no reason for us to be agitated. So this is the period where we also made sacrifice for you during the corona time, the pandemic period, where we stayed with you. We ensured that all payments were made, not at this time when we are at liberty. So be with us, bear with us, and we are taking you to the next level. Real-time services is what MBA is bringing back to you. God bless you.
But after that, it was not funny. Nigerians quickly said it was a scam and they were going to go away. They were going to run away. So they had scammed them and all that, and reports here and there, just like we're having with 86 FB right now. That I don't know if truly it's a government regulatory issue. If the government actually froze the account, like the speculations we're seeing on social media, as far as I'm concerned, they are speculations, because I've not seen any concrete proof to that to say government actually froze the accounts and that is why they can't pay people and all that. But it may not be far-fetched, right? It may not be far-fetched, because this happened to MBA, and by the time the CEO of MBA Investment and Trading Company came out to do a press conference, he was telling everybody that monies were going to be refunded, people were going to get their investment capital back and all that. And they actually began to pay people, and some people were testifying that they were paying people. They started from the smaller amounts and started paying people. The minimum investment there was 360,000. So they started paying people, and we were queuing up and we're hoping that we're going to be paid, because I was an investor at that time too. I made some investment there. But when the government when the government froze their account, the government of Nigeria froze the account and they couldn't pay people, the CEO came out publicly and they did a publication, I think on either the Nation's newspaper or Punch. Sorry, I can't lay my hands on that, but whenever I'm able to find it, I'm going to make sure that you see it. All right. So by the time the CEO came out publicly and was actually begging that the CBN or the Nigerian government should unfreeze their account so they can make refunds to investors, and they want to be monitored by the Central Bank of Nigeria. That was not done. Now, I can't tell you from here what actually transpired, that didn't work, but at least to a large extent, they were talking to the public. They came out and they talked to the public about the challenges they were having and why they were unable to refund investors' capital. And that was how MBA somehow fizzled out. So at this point, I don't know, was it the Nigerian government that was responsible for them, for the fall of the MBA, or was it that they truly scammed Nigeria? Like I said, I want an honest response in the comment section. What do you think is our problem in Nigeria, that we cannot sustain this kind of businesses when they come? Some other persons are speculating that 86FB have actually come to alleviate the sufferings of Nigeria, and the powers that be do not want that to happen. So they are just trying to frustrate the business so that you don't have a lot of low class people stepping up to the middle class or something, and then the middle class stepping up, to that level and all that. What do you think? Do you agree with this argument? Do you agree with what people are speculating? Like, there's a lot that people are saying out there right now. But like, the question I want us to ask ourselves is, what is the problem with Nigeria? If truly these people are coming to scam us, why Nigeria as a market for them to come and exploit people here in Nigeria and go away with their money and nothing happens? All right. Why is it happening to us? Why is it happening here in Nigeria? If truly these people are coming to scam us, if truly these people are coming to take away what belongs to us. Okay, and then what about the Nigerian businesses that are doing similar stuff to Nigerians, to the citizens? Why is it happening that way? So, do you think this is going to increase crime rates in Nigeria, more than what it is already? Do you think there's a way out? There's a better? What's your suggestion? Whatever you think you have to add to this conversation. I wish it was a live session, but unfortunately, it's not a live session. So by the time you finish listening, I would like you to drop your comment in the comment section, guys. So let's begin to see how we can, spread the news that we think can help Nigerians not to be as gullible as, we are, just like we have been referred to that we're gullible, and that's why this keeps happening. But I think it's beyond being gullible. All right. Some people say Nigerians are toxic. So if by the time something comes, they can't sustain it. I don't know. What do you think? What is your honest opinion? What is your honest thought about this happening right now? Okay, I want us to look beyond 86 FB, because there are so many of these other platforms that are still here. There are new ones that are coming up right now, and people are beginning to make money from them already. I can tell you there are new ones that are here right now. This in football reverse score that is happening here right now. Okay, it's happening here in Nigeria right now. A lot of people have moved from the 86 and they are there right now and they're making money from there. Okay, I heard of a new one that just started. It's just about 2 weeks old, or maybe getting to 2 weeks, and they're paying about 6 to 10%. And Nigerians are running there. Why is this happening? Are we still going to get scammed? Do we need to join that business? So what is what is your honest opinion? What is your honest thought about this? Please, I want to get it in the comment section. Like I said, I want us to look beyond 86 FB or 86 business or the football betting and all that. Now, another big question is this the first ever anti-score betting platform that has ever existed? I don't know much about this betting stuff, because 86 is actually my first experience with betting. And I've never been involved in any betting, Bet Niger, 360 Bet, and all that. I started finding out about most of them when 86 came, and I had to do my research to be sure it was not the regular betting stuff, because I don't want to lose money. I don't want to go and, according to some people, they say, I don't want to cut my ticket, Let me just use that word that they use. Okay, so I don't want to lose money. So for that reason, I don't do the betting stuff. When 86 came and I was told it was reverse, and I made my research and I was sure that it was actually a reverse betting platform, I said, okay, and then I'm not going to lose money here, and like that. So I had to just do it. So with this, I was made to understand that there are other platforms like this. Okay, I can't go into details about that because I have not made my research, but a lot of people have told me that there are platforms like this that exist in other countries. It's a normal thing for them. They go there and they place their bets and stuff like that. Of course, there are people who actually go there and they still bet on their own and they lose, and the platform makes money from them. But the anti-score platform, how do they make their money? Because 86 is not the first. That is why they could bring it here to Nigeria to say, okay, let's come and do this business here and see how it works for us. And, of course, this is where we find ourselves. So at this point, I don't want to say, okay, we're rolling the curtains for 86 FB, or for those of you who have been waiting for me to say, okay, give a confirmation. I do not work with the company. I'm also an investor, like those of you who invested. So I can't tell you if the platform has gone away or if they're planning to go away. Like some people have said, they've already gone away. I do not know that. I can't say about that. All right. But for now, they're still telling us they're having some hitches, they're having some challenges, and they've not really come out to tell us it's government. But some investors are speculating that government have interfered in this, and I do not know. I do not have proof about that, so I can't talk about that. But like I said, the reason why I'm making this video is for us to have an honest conversation. why Nigeria? Why is Nigeria, always the target for stores like this? And why is it that is some of these legitimate business, some are actually legitimate. I'm not talking about 86 right now, but I'm saying that there are some that are actually legitimate, and when they get into Nigeria, they do not survive. What is the problem? What do you think is the challenge? What do you think is actually killing these businesses when it arrives Nigeria? Some, according to somebody's own opinion that they were telling me offline, as in off this video conversation, that some of them even die before they arrive, because the moment Nigerians hear about this, I mean, everybody is like, oh, it's not real, it's a scam. And before it even lands Nigeria, it's gone, because Nigerians don't believe in some of these things. So, what do you think? Do you agree with this argument? Do you believe so? If yes, that these people are actually Ponzi and they have a target coming to Nigeria to come and come and scam us and all that, why must it be Nigeria? Okay, so we're going to continue this conversation in the comment section. So by the time you listen to this, just give me your honest thought, give me your honest opinion. I think by the time we come up with something, we can make more videos and create more awareness on how to help Nigerians come out of certain things like this, or not to get into platforms that can actually hurt them. Because a lot of Nigerians, I believe, are trying to look for a way to alleviate their situation and come out and have some form of financial stability. So they become, victims of platforms that are not legitimate. And even for the ones that are legitimate, they say, oh, Nigerians still kill them. So let me see your comment in the comment section about this, what you think honestly about it. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me till the end of this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for making your contributions. I'm going to respond to your comments in the comment section, and then we continue from there. We'll see how we can make more videos and create more awareness on how to help Nigerians make legitimate money online. Thank you.